Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you several ways to fix a locked iPhone, saving iPhone unavailable or security lockout. So, your iPhone will display the unavailable or security lockout alert only when it receives repeated wrong passcodes. When you input the wrong iPhone passcode over 5 times, your iPhone will disable itself to protect your data for security, which makes sense. Don't worry, let's dive into workable ways to unlock your iPhone. So the first way to unlock an unavailable iPhone is to erase it. Now you can see, this iPhone is stuck on the unavailable lock screen. Tap on the Forgot Passcode option. It says your iPhone is in security lockout. Tap Start iPhone Reset. To proceed with that, you'll be asked to enter your iCloud password here. Just follow the instructions and type the iCloud password. Confirm the action. Now you can see the unavailable iPhone is getting erased. The Apple logo shows up just like this. As you see, this iPhone has been reset successfully. You don't need a passcode to get into it. It's totally unlocked now. Just simply set it up from the beginning and give it a new passcode. Alright. Let's move to the next one. So, if the Forgot iPhone or Erase iPhone option doesn't show up on the iPhone unavailable screen, there is an alternative way you can get into it if you've enabled the Find My feature on your locked iPhone. On another device you can use to open a browser and visit iCloud.com. Then sign into your Apple account with your Apple ID and password that are used on your unavailable iPhone. When you finally get in, select the Find My icon, just like I do. Choose all devices here to find the unavailable iPhone from all your Apple devices. Once you select your locked phone, you'll be given the Erase This Device option finally. Select the Erase This Device option and confirm it. Here, you may be asked to do the two-factor authentication to verify yourself. After doing that, your unavailable iPhone will start the erasing process and get itself unlocked. Okay, now, let's move to the iTunes method. Just connect your iPhone to the computer. And make it enter recovery mode. If you are using iPhone 12, just like I do, press the volume up button, press the volume down button, then keep pressing the power button until it shows the restore screen. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Okay, agree the terms. Well, iTunes downloads the firmware package and restores the iPhone to factory settings. Well done, your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. And it restarts on the hello screen. That is to say, the iPhone unavailable screen is fixed. Now, let's move to the last method. It can be very easy to unlock a security lockout iPhone if you try this iPhone unlocker, iShare iPhone Passcode Genius. After the download and installation, just open it on your computer. From this simple interface, select Unlock Lock Screen to start. And then get your Unavailable iPhone connected with your computer. Make sure your iPhone is in recovery mode. I will show you how to do it in my iPhone 12. Press volume up, press volume down. Hold power button for seconds until this recovery mode screen appears. Okay, the computer recognizes my locked iPhone. So here, I just simply confirm my device information and allow it to download an appropriate iOS firmware for the iPhone. All of this is to get ready for the unlock. Click the unlock button to proceed. So now, as you can see, here's a loading bar. When it finishes, the unavailable iPhone will be totally unlocked. Just like this. You see, no more passcode required. Just swipe up and go through the setup. And now the iPhone can be used again. That's all for the video.